started moving away from the full-time exhaust clean about 20 years ago because of the results we were seeing. You had a lot of people coming in cleaning what you could see. And then when it comes to the duct, they just turned a blind eye to it. Now we've scraped this one. We're fixing to soak it now. You can still see the hunks there. You see how the rest of the hood is shiny, or not shiny, but clean, except for the detection brackets. That was from a local hood cleaner. Came in at a price of $375 to clean the entire duct system, fans. The fans are a mess. The duct system is a mess. They started coming into East Tennessee and, matter of fact, the Eastern Seaboard about 1999 to 2002. Somewhere in that neighborhood. Everybody with a pressure washer grabbed it up and said, oh, I can be a hood cleaner and make big money. Well, at the time we were charging between, I don't know, $385 to $450 was for to clean a standard 8 to 12 foot hood. When we moved toward fire suppression system, we really didn't have any choice because this is what we were up against in just a few years. There's just no other way to explain it. Now, a lot of the hood clean companies in this area, including one of the big franchises, Hoods, that was up in Talbot, they've shut their doors and moved out because the chickens have come home to roost. They did the same thing that everybody else was doing. They come in what we call bottom feed, clean the bottom of the hood, what everybody could see, and left the rest of it a mess. Now fans are tearing up everywhere. We get probably 2 calls a week on exhaust fans going down. And when we get out here, this is what we find. The whole thing is just, it's absolutely a mess. All of this has got to be replaced due just to poor maintenance. That's all you can say about it is this poor maintenance. You can't properly clean a kitchen exhaust system for $300 or $400. It cannot be done. And when you try to, this is what you get. And like I said, a lot of the hood cleaners in this area, the chickens are coming home to roost for them, and they just quit. They backed up and decided, oh, well, now you can't. They won't answer the phones, especially when they know what they're walking into, when they know they've left a mess somewhere, or discarded a system for the last 4 or 5 years, and now the owners are wanting them to take care of it. Well, now they won't answer the phones. Of course, that's. I mean, I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is. We'll get this one fixed, give you some pictures and video afterwards. Y'all have a great day. Remember, Kitchen One Solutions, if you want to learn how to clean a kitchen exhaust system properly and you want to make money doing it, give us a call. www.kitchenonesolutions.com. Thanks.